Hey guys, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I've got some really exciting news for you. So Myshire Farm has partnered up with Wynola Ranch, and they are doing something great for us. So between now and February 14th, we're going to be doing a drawing every day, and you'll be getting a $10 voucher or $10 gift card that you can use on Wynola Ranch for anything that you would like. It could be cages, it could be waters, it could be feeders, it could be leg bands, it could be whatever you would like to do. So that's really exciting. But when it ends on Valentine's Day, February 14th, we're giving the ultimate giveaway. And that is going to be a breeder cage by Wynola Ranch sent to you for free. It is a $219 cage that you'll have to pay nothing for. And it is 30 inches. It's a double rack, 4-section quail cage by Wynola Ranch. It's on sale now for $199. There's 15 inches per compartment. There's 4 compartments. There's 2 feeders. There's auto drinkers. It comes with a stand. It comes with 2 trays. Galvanized steel wiring for the bottom. I think it's 1/2 inch by 1 inch for their feet. Comes with an egg slope, so the eggs come straight to you, and it's easy to assemble. So that's awesome. To enter the drawing, all you have to do is purchase anything from Myshire Farm between now and February 14th. It could be on our website, it could be on eBay, it could be through me, it could be on auctions, however you want to do it. And then each day we're going to pick a winner for the $10 card. And then on 14th, we're going to do the ultimate giveaway. So we really want to say a great thank you and a shout out to Wynola Ranch for working with us. I think this is going to be a great partnership, and I hope you all have fun, enjoy, and good luck to the winners. Thanks, guys.